This 2021 Forest River XLR Boost 27QB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, awning, refrigerator, LP detector, smoke detector, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River XLR Boost 27QB is 6,385 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.